darlings, welcome back to my channel, Ahoufe Darocha. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for clicking to watch this video today. If you are new, please subscribe. I would love to have you on board with me. I would love you to follow me on my YouTube journey. Please support your sister. And if you're not new and you're subscribed, thank you for coming back to watch another video. So today's video is just going to be a quick review on this new hair. Yes. So I'm going to be reviewing this gorgeous hair, this wig that was sent to me by Atozwig. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. ATZHAIR. So it came in this box with a wig cap. That's the name right there. And this is a 10-inch straight bob. Cute, huh? So this hair, the shipping was really fast. It came within like I think 2 or 3 days. Crazy fast. And you can get this hair on Amazon. Yes, they've got a store on Amazon, so check them out. The hair didn't have any funny smell. I haven't had any shedding. I've straightened the hair. Straightened and brushed it. I haven't been having any shedding at all whatsoever. The hair is really, really like, what's the word? It moves around. I like, you know, you like the hairs that actually, like, you know, the hairs that just like move when you're talking, like, yeah, you know, not them stiff hairs. I ain't feeling them stiff hair. Yeah, this hair is not stiff at all. It's got body, it's got bounce, it's not too full, it's not too thin, it's just perfect for me. I'll say this hair is probably about 130 density. Yeah, probably about 130 density. So yeah, it's a great look. I'm not the type to go for short hair. I don't know me, I love my long hair. I love my long hair. And those that know me know I love my long hair. But I think this is cute. It's starting to grow on me now. It took a while. I didn't like it at first, I'm not gonna lie, because it's not my type of style. It's not something that I would normally wear. But now I've dressed up with it and I'm wearing it a bit more, it's actually cute. I like it. I'm actually liking it. And it's nice for summer as well, something short, and it's really light and airy. And I could feel my scalp, I could feel the breeze going through my scalp, baby. That's the most important thing for me. I don't want any sweaty, heavy, itchy heads. No, not, especially not the summer. So for summer, this is a good hair to invest in. Very reasonable as well. I will leave all the details in the description box there so you can check out the price and all of that. And yeah, what else do I have to say about this hair? It's silky, sleek, straight, and yeah, I like this hair. I like it. I think I'm gonna try a few other textures and lengths in them from this company, because I do like the hair. The hair is really good quality. It's nice. It's nice and it's not expensive. So yeah, that is me with this hair. I'm going to take a few pics and I'll have that up on Instagram as well, so you can check that out if you want to see the hair closer. But yeah, it's so cute, and the parting, it goes right back, so that's what I love as well. It does go quite back. I don't like the short partings. I like it to go back a bit, and it does that for me. So the hair's cute. I don't know if I'm missing out anything else. Quality, check. Shipping time, check. Shredding, no. Heavy, no. But if you guys have any questions about this hair, please feel free to drop me a comment down below and I'll answer you as soon as possible. And that's it for this review, guys. Atozwig, 10-inch. I'm falling off my chair. 10 inch, yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy. I've got more coming this week. I have a lot more coming your way, so please stay tuned for more of my videos. And please like, comment and subscribe, and also press the notification bell so that you do not miss one video that I will bring to you. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.